In 2025, flashy design and futuristic features are everywhere, but beneath the surface, many cars hide ticking engine time bombs. These are vehicles where owners are spending more time in the shop than on the road, despite paying top-tier prices. Below you'll find 7 cars notorious for engine failures, overheating, excessive oil use, or catastrophic repairs before 80,000 miles. Manufacturers touted cutting-edge turbo tech or hybrid motors, yet these powertrains are already showing major weaknesses. You don't see these failures in showroom spec sheets, but mechanics certainly do, and they're sounding the alarm. Whether it's oil issues, chain slapping, head gasket failures, or entire engine replacements, these models carry serious risk. Before you buy a new car this year, make sure it's not one of these mechanical nightmares. Chevrolet Equinox 1.5L Turbo. Introducing the Equinox, a popular compact SUV that hides a problematic engine under its hood, despite Chevy's promises of efficiency and reliability. This 1.5L Turbo has plagued multiple GM family cars, showing oil burning, timing chain stretch, and engines stalling far too early in ownership. Buyers believing they're getting a modern, capable crossover are discovering it's anything but bulletproof. Mechanics frequently flag this unit for internal wear issues and recommend avoiding used models before extensive checks. GM even extended warranties on some engines in 2025 due to escalating complaints, because the problem wasn't going away. The Turbo Quattro variant struggles with turbo lag, weak mid-range power, and excessive vibrations. Owners regularly report rattling, surging at idle, and sudden stalls on startup. The PCV system chemistry seems flawed, leading to sludge buildup that clogs oil pathways. Oil consumption is off the charts, most drivers replacing a quart every 1,000 miles by 50,000 mile point. Tire shop mechanics often spot early chain wear or stretch tensioners, a sign of deeper internal weakness. GM sells many units on the Equinox platform, meaning this engine issue multiplies across other models. Repair costs without warranty exceed $4,000 once the timing chain or head gasket needs replacement. Potential buyers should avoid this drivetrain unless they can find a fully documented maintenance history. Thinking about a family hauler from Subaru next? Don't. Save yourself the engine disaster we'll unveil. Subaru Ascent 2.4L Turbo Boxer. Subaru pitched the Ascent as the family SUV with boxer engine durability and modern turbo performance, but many buyers are disappointed. While Subaru's heritage engine is known for longevity, this newer turbo iteration lacks that filling. Owners quickly discovered excessive oil consumption, coolant loss, overheating, and even frequent engine stalls. Some report hearing knocking sounds before the check engine light comes on, well before a typical oil change interval. Subaru has acknowledged clusters of early engine failures, yet the repair costs and logistics remain largely the owner's burden. Turbo spool-up is slow, with rough transitions and pronounced reluctance to accelerate under load. The dual overhead cam boxer motor can develop head gasket leaks, leading to coolant contamination. Mechanic forums report blowy issues around 40 to 60 miles, where the crankcase pressure inhibits proper oil return. Owners post grievances about knocking sounds, even before 30,000-mile service intervals. Replacement engines are rare, meaning many end up paying out of pocket for salvage. Subaru's reputation hinges on rugged flat 4 reliability. This engine misses that mark drastically. A significant number of owners were surprised that their cars were not covered under warranty for engine work. Trade-in value plummets after inspection flags internal concerns, making recovery nearly impossible. From Japanese SUVs to German luxury next, this engine might look refined but causes serious damage. BMW X3s. BMW's popular X3 and X4 luxury SUVs use the B48 2.0L turbo engine. While smooth at first glance, extended ownership reveals a worrying pattern. Owners report repeated failures with chain guides, carbon buildup, water pump leaks, and timing chain tensioner wear. Some vehicles stall intermittently. Others develop serpentine belt tensioner failures that trigger warning lights and abrupt shutdowns. Dealerships are often hesitant to repair outside of warranty, citing intricate labor and expensive parts. As these models reach 2023 to 24 production years, mechanical wear is surfacing sooner than expected. Initial drive is brisk and refined, but carbon buildup affects throttle response over time. Chain guide failures create chain slap, especially on cold startups. Coolant hose leaks and high-pressure pump failures occasionally trigger overheating events. Cylinder head gasket issues have emerged, with coolant and oil mixing in some cases. Each of these faults can cost $3,000 plus in labor and parts alone, not even counting towing or downtime. While still enjoyable behind the wheel, owners are tired of constant repairs overshadowing the luxury badge. Insurance companies are lowering valuations due to the likelihood of future engine failures. Many owners report remorse. The car felt good early, but reliability tanked quickly. And now we shift to another mainstream SUV. This one looks safe, but hides a ticking time bomb. Ford Escape 1.5L EcoBoost. The Ford Escape with the 1.5L EcoBoost turbo engine felt innovative, promised efficiency, good power, and AWD compatibility. Yet multiple recalls tarnished its promise. Owners have discovered cracked cylinder heads, premature carbon deposits, and coolant overheating that led to engine seizures. Ford eventually extended warranties only after repeated internal complaints, but that didn't stop countless early failures. Some cars dropped coolant without warning, triggering white smoke and sudden loss of power on highway drives. Despite being a top seller, the Escape quickly became a symbol of short-lived performance packaging. Turbo lag and erratic torque delivery affect low-end responsiveness, particularly with AWD. Cylinder head cracks arise due to poor coolant passage design. Trusted mechanics call it the flaw that Ford ignored. Oil-based sludge builds faster than expected, signaling faulty PCV or poor oil flow in high-mileage use. Timing chain tensioners sometimes fail early, requiring full engine rebuilds. Owners frequently report stalling during gear changes or idling at stoplights. It doesn't matter how many driver aids or infotainment updates, when the engine fails, the car becomes worthless. Recall history still appears on Carfax, affecting resale and financing approvals. Loyal buyers say the long-term headache isn't worth the efficiency boost. There are still 3 monsters left, engine nightmares that defy the brand they're attached to. Nissan Rogue 2.5 Li4 engine. The Nissan Rogue remains one of America's best-selling SUVs, but its engine reliability has left a trail of frustrated owners. The 2.5L inline May 4th seem basic, but it's linked with chronic stalling, rough idle, and early internal wear. Combined with the infamous CVT transmission, the powertrain creates a problematic duo that disappoints long before 100K miles. Buyers expecting low maintenance and peace of mind are instead footing bills for head gaskets, coil packs, and even engine rebuilds. Mechanics often rank this setup among the worst in terms of longevity within its class. Weak acceleration and constant lag frustrate city drivers and highway cruisers alike. Oil leaks from valve covers and front main seals appear far too early in ownership. Combustion issues lead to spark plug fouling and misfires, even on models with fewer than 50K miles. The CVT often puts additional stress on the engine during takeoff, shortening its life. Multiple techs call the engine under-engineered for its weight class. Reliability surveys consistently rank the Rogue in the bottom tier for engine and transmission longevity. Resale values have dipped due to CVT stigma and engine reliability concerns. Nissan hasn't addressed the core design flaws in the 2025 model, so buyer beware. Next, we're looking at a luxury model that's beautiful outside, but trouble brews under the hood. Audi Q5 2.0 LTFSI engine. Audi's 2.0 LTFSI engine in the Q5 is sleek, responsive, and quiet, at least at first. Over time, it's one of the most complaint-ridden powertrains in the segment. Despite its premium branding, this engine has had years of issues with excessive oil burning, turbo wear, and even cracked pistons. Owners report topping off oil monthly, sometimes even weekly, despite regular service. Some 2025 updates have slightly improved performance, but the deeper flaws haven't been fully resolved. Mechanics warn of high repair bills and complex engine teardown costs well beyond the average budget. Turbo lag worsens over time due to carbon buildup on valves and the intake system. Oil consumption starts early, sometimes as soon as 30K miles, and rapidly increases. Faulty PCV valves and piston ring failures are recurring issues across multiple model years. Timing chain tensioners are known to fail without warning, risking catastrophic damage. Audi's extended warranty doesn't always cover internal engine damage unless caught early. High maintenance costs quickly outweigh the benefits of luxury styling and performance. Even certified pre-owned buyers report major issues shortly after warranty expiration. Resale value is undermined by known engine and oil system issues across enthusiast forums. And finally, we end with an EV that was hyped to redefine the market, but instead became a mechanical money pit. Fisker Ocean electric SUV. Touted as the bold EV disruptor of 2025, the Fisker Ocean had early excitement, sharp design, sustainable materials, and high-tech promises. But reality hit hard. Early owners report electrical glitches, charging malfunctions, battery management system failures, and software crashes. The vehicle's EV drivetrain, once hyped as Tesla's rival, is proving unreliable and poorly supported. Fisker's financial instability and poor dealer infrastructure only make the ownership experience worse. Even loyal EV fans are warning others. Don't take a gamble on a startup without a proven track record. Charging failures are common, including stuck ports and inaccurate battery estimates. Sudden shutdowns or dashboard blackouts plague multiple units. Battery degradation is much faster than expected, with some losing 20% capacity in under a year. Regenerative braking glitches and miscalibrated sensors have led to dangerous driving behavior. Poor customer service leaves many owners stuck waiting weeks for software fixes. Enthusiast groups and Reddit threads are full of ex-owners warning against buying the Ocean. Resale and trade-in values have crashed due to uncertainty over Fisker's future. Unlike Tesla or Ford, service infrastructure is limited, so breakdowns become logistical nightmares. According to Consumer Reports and independent mechanic rankings, the vehicles above all share one critical trait: unreliable engines or powertrains that underdeliver for the price. These aren't just occasional lemons. These are models with systemic mechanical issues, poorly designed engines, or early signs of major failure. Mechanics from forums like Just Answer, YouTube Teardown Techs, and CR-certified auto specialists consistently rank these among the worst powertrains of the year. Brands like Chevrolet, Subaru, Ford, and Audi are all under scrutiny in 2025 for failing to address long-standing flaws in engines or drivetrains, despite marketing otherwise. Before you buy your next car, don't just trust the badge or the brochure. Dig deep, check engine reviews, real owner reports, and trusted mechanic insights. If you want long-term peace of mind, stick to brands and engines that have stood the test of time. And if you found this breakdown helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We're cutting through the hype to save your wallet.